Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Your headset mic is active and the Ghost Game's voice option is enabled. Once done, set system microphone levels so your voice doesn't peak. -10 dB is a safe target. Next, choose push-to-talk if the match is loud, or open mic for ambient teamwork. You do this now so teammates hear clear cues. The sooner you configure levels, the fewer interruptions you'll face during the first objective. Once basic audio works, open the game's communication menu and pick your voice channel. Team for strategy, proximity for immersive calls. Make sure to tweak voice distance and attenuation so far teammates aren't drowned out by nearby ghosts. This balances realism and clarity. Then map a comfortable push-to-talk key if you chose it, and run a quick lobby test with one friend. Testing reveals latency and background noise problems, so you can fix them before a real match. Now join a match and immediately confirm teammates can hear you by sending a short call-out. Speak in brief, actionable phrases. This keeps clutter low and reduces cognitive load for teammates. Monitor audio visually via player indicators and mute yourself when background noise spikes. If you lose voice or hear garbled audio, restart the in-game voice module or toggle your audio device. That often renegotiates the connection and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.